opposition has made a major charge. The charge is aimed at instilling a sense of instability over the government, and the fact that the House can go for resolution and an imminent election, that Goa is facing an imminent general election. So I think this needs to be clarified by the principal ruling party. Sir, he is negating it. Which hates the government. So he has directed, he's asked the party, and I think the South Goa MP will issue a statement very soon. तो आता बजेटाचेर बिजी आहा, थोडे जे इम्पॉर्टंट एस्पेक्ट्स आहा, म्हणजे आमी अराउंड 1200 कोटी रुपयाचे फायनान्शियल स्टेटमेंट आमी हाडटले हावजाचे फुडें. इट इज मेनली रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर, सॅलरीज आनी पेन्शन आनी हे तातूंत 85% पयशे तातूंतूच वतले. सो जे सामकें गरजेचें कितें आहा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ODF, बिकॉज वी आर फॉलिंग बॅक ऑन अवर this to get ODF status. Deadline आमी फाटल्यान पडले. That will be a priority in the budget.